Dear students, hope you all are staying at your homes and are fine. Your school have been carrying out online classes from last 20th of April. We have been continuously efforting in sending you various educational materials through various platforms, either that is WhatsApp, YouTube or Instagram. Our teachers have been working very hard since 8 weeks to send various educational materials either in various formats to each and every student ranging from class 5th to class 10th. There are various efforts being done by students and also the teachers at various levels to bring this online class a successful event. From the beginning, we have set various milestones which we have achieved. I would like you to get familiar with various accomplishments and milestones which were being set by us only in the starting of the online classes from 20th of April. Let me give you some of the various interesting facts and figures which are not only astonishing in nature but also tells that our students and our teachers are interacting so well that we have engaged in a fruitful online class from last 20th of April. From 20th of April, nearly more than 1200 videos have been shared on various platforms, either that is WhatsApp, that is Instagram or that is YouTube. These videos have accomplished the purpose to get familiar with various topics of the chapter and get an easy access to the knowledge and information kept in the books to students. We have received around more than 3000 doubts of students at various stages from class 5th to class 10 by various teachers, and these 3000 doubts have been resolved and have been rectified and have been forwarded to various students accordingly. More than 1300 worksheets or homeworks or you can say assignments have been received by us from the date 20th of April, and we have checked and we have forwarded those accordingly. We have been able, by the cooperation of the students and teachers, we have been able to cover up around 20% of the annual syllabus as prescribed to the CBSE. Also, more than 15 competitions have been carried out at various stages in various topics from class 5th to class 10th, and many of the students have actively took participation in those. Also, we have implemented a feedback form just a couple of days ago so that we may know the reality of the online classes, whether our students are getting much to do in those classes. Students, today I have been interacting with you on this platform because of some important announcements being done by me. From a couple of days, we have been receiving various queries and various doubts of the guardians related to the class, the tenure of these online classes. Let me tell you, these online classes will experience a temporary halt, or they will stop, temporarily they will stop on 20th June 2020, date 20th of this month. This is how we would be able to complete 20% of this syllabus, of annual syllabus as prescribed by the CBSE, and students will get 10 days to relax, and again these classes will resume from 1st of July. These classes, which were made for completing of syllabus and provide online education to the students, I think have served their purpose, and from 1st of July we will be resuming our online classes. A student, it is also worth telling that from 1st of July to 15th of July, there would be online lectures or online doubt classes for various students of class 5th to class 10th by teachers. Students and teachers will interact with each other on Google Meet platforms. Instructions and guidance for this purpose will be provided after some time. Students, I do believe that there are certain issues other than academics which are really important and they need to be addressed also. There are certain issues which relate to our social and public life of the student, which due to some obligations we are not able to discuss in schools. But because we are having a proper and very fruitful interaction with the students through this online class, so we will be able and we are now willing to engage students in such topics which need to be dealt upon. So, me and my teachers have designed an activity named summer camp or summer session, you can say. This summer camp date, I may confirm that summer camp will be starting on 22nd June, one day after this online classes will get over. This summer camp will start on 22nd June and will get over till 30th of June, 30th of the same month. Between this tenure, there are certain various activities which I think will not only ponder over social or public life of the student, but will also cater his needs, which will also cater the demands of the society. There are various activities ranging from wearing a tie, which is a part of normal life, but somehow students don't get aware with that particularly. As well as these summer camps will include various activities, various craft activities like making a bird water feeder, that is just a good work to be done in summers. The summer camp will also include various lectures and various instructional, motivational and inspirational videos focused on various scientists, philosophers and saints of India, which students are yet unaware. The date, I may repeat, the date of this summer camp is 22nd of June, and this summer camp will get over by 30th of June. Students, it is worth mentioning that this summer camp is of non-mandatory nature. Let me explain it properly. It means that only those students who are willing to take part in this summer session, who themselves want to take part in this session or this summer camp, can take part, and there is no need for others. There is no compulsion, there is no mandatoriness for others to take part. It is wholesome, a selective process. The students, if they want, can take part, otherwise they need not to take part. Also, there is no extra charge of this summer camp, and there is no extra money to be taken from you for attending this summer camp. Also, let me tell you the way to take part. Students who are willing to take part in this summer session shall have to register themselves through an online link which is provided by the link of this video. You can click on the link, put your name, put your class and submit, and by this easy process you can register yourself on these online classes. I do believe that the students will fully enjoy in this summer session and will also come through various attributes and activities which will not only improve their social and public life, but will also cater their needs and will also make them compatible in the modern world. I do believe that students are going to learn a lot through this summer session, and therefore I personally recommend all the students to register themselves so that they may get a benefit of an activity being initiated by your teachers. Let me summarize my today's activities. Your online classes, which started from 20th of April 2020, will now culminate on 20th June 2020. From 22nd June, you would be having your summer camp, which will culminate till 30th June. So now, I will take your pardon. I do believe that all the students might get aware with all the things being discussed today. I do believe that you will fruitfully be discussing about summer session. Think about it seriously and also register on that. So at last, I will pray for your well-being and good health. Thanks for listening me. Good luck.